As a sports photographer, it's not enough to get the shot. You have to have it out there fast. Everybody's expecting information instantly.
Clients want images immediately. A goal, celebration, they want it in their hands within seconds.
With the Sony A7III Mark II, it's about being first to market. Whether it be social media, where you're beating all the other agencies, that's really key.
With the internet connectivity features, this camera gets the job done for the deadline that you're expected to meet.
They have a new gigabit Ethernet port, which allows us to move images super fast. The wireless functions are incredible.
Getting images out wirelessly is even more important for me because a lot of times I'm a one-man show and I can be anywhere around the track or anywhere around a building.
With the wireless functions built in, you're not adding something to the camera, you're not putting a cable on it, you're just shooting wirelessly and those images can get out right away.
The voice tagging gets the information out to who you need to give it to quickly, succinctly, without taking a lot of time from what you're doing.
One of the big struggles, depending on the sport, is identifying who's actually in the photo. So to be able to look and just be able to say it verbally is a huge time saver.
I can instantly go from camera to phone to client, and it's that simple.
I can use the transfer tagging app to send images to clients right away from the field without having to worry about running to the media room or worry about having Ethernet lines run out to us on the field.
Just the whole functionality, being able to transmit FTP straight from the camera, being able to edit and caption on your phone, it's a game changer.